Yo, if you clicked on this video, you want to make as much money as these guys do from meme coin trading. Look at this, 400%, that's 2k right there. This is printed every day, guys. You don't even know how much money you can make from this. And today, I'll be teaching you how to make this with this little thing here called Neobullocks. Bullocks is what all these people here, all these people are making money on. You see bullocks, all this is bullocks. There's other platforms like here, this is Photon, there's other ones as well, but I've found in my personal experience that bullocks is definitely the best, the fastest, and is overall just better. And so once you click on Neobullocks, the link is in my bio, so once you click on here, you will go straight to this page here. It'll probably look a little bit different because you need to connect your Telegram. Right here, you should connect your Telegram from here, so you select Telegram, and it takes you to here, you press it, and it will take you back, and then you will be in this page. See, so here you'll see three things. You'll see new creations, about to create, and graduated. All this means is that everything that's coming out on here has been created on pump.fun. This little website right here is what meme coins come from. So all this, you see, every single one is created every few seconds. Now, the most important thing to know while trading meme coins is 99.9% of all meme coins will go to zero at 1 point. Now what this means is, technically, to stats, you have a 99% chance, 0.9% chance of losing money. How do we avoid this? We buy and sell before it goes to zero. I will be teaching you guys this more in later videos, but that is basically about it. So here, you see these three columns. New creations is every time someone creates a coin. Every single coin that is ever created on pump.fun will be on this column here. You see every single second as one comes out. All of these were just created through here, through start a new coin, and they're all coming out here as well. Now, about to graduate is a little bit different. This is where it has some volume. See here, V volume, that's how many people buy and sell, and then that number goes up. Volume means that more people are bought in and it's about to graduate. Graduating means when this reaches this number here, the bonding curve, when this reaches 100%, it will be migrated to Radium. Here on Radium, it will be sent to other platforms like Dextrina, and it will be publicly traded. Now, when it reaches the bonding curve, that means that more buyers will come in, so because you can buy from different places, not just pump.fun. So all these, once they graduate, they'll go to this tab called graduated. This means they are graduated on Radium, and it has a liquidity pool, and it's probably a lot more safe. As you see here, liquidity, the price, the market cap is a lot higher than all the other ones. Now, with graduated, this is where I personally buy in here, right? So we go back, all these have been graduated. So all this can be publicly traded on Radium and everything else. So this is definitely going to get more volume than this. So you want to stick to maybe this column and most likely this column. That is what I recommend. Now, when you load up and you connect your Telegram to Bullocks Neo, do not use Bullocks. Bullocks is something different. This is a higher version, and you'll need to be put on a waiting list. I will have the access code in my bio, so you click that and you'll go through. Now, with this here, this little button right here, you will not see. And why you don't see this is because an extension right here called Nova Click, and this is completely separate to Neobullocks. And also here it shows this, and this is how You print the money. You go in and out. This is how you make the money. And I will tell you every single day, use Nova. Do not use Bullex by itself. Number one reason, fees. Fees on Bullex are probably about $5 per trade. Now, you do not want to be losing 100% of your all initial investment plus $5 as well. So, once you click this on Nova right here, same thing, the link will be in my bio for an access code, so you don't have to wait in the waiting list for so long. So once you click this, it will take you to another Telegram, which will be Nova here. Now, same thing as before, go /start with Nova, it will send you all this. Now here, you should have a wallet with funded. If you don't, click on this other video over here, I'll show you how to fund your Solana wallet. So basically, you click here and you just follow the steps to import or create a wallet, whatever you want. I import my wallets, so I don't have to create new ones from Bullex. So if you have a Bullex wallet, you just go over here to a wallet and you find your private key. Now once you have your private key, you go back to Telegram, Nova over here, and you can import wallet. Now I'll see what you want to name this. I'll just go main, you can name whatever. Now private key, enter your private key that you got from Bullex or Phantom Wallet, whatever you want. Now you enter this private key and it will automatically connect your wallet to Nova. So I'll send you back here, and now you should see that right here, this is my main. I have $0 in my wallet, but it should have a number if you have funds in your Solana wallet. So once this has been funded, you can finally start setting up it on Neo Bullex. Go click Nova, click here. Now once we're here, you're going to click download here, and if you follow these steps, you'll not need to go to the guide. So go press download, open, it'll take you to this tab in Google. Now here's the extension. Now this is the extension here, so you go add to Chrome and add extension, and there we go, it's in. Nova has been added, and you see it's disabled at the moment. You go to Bullex, go here, go Nova extension, because I already have it, I have two, and enabled. Now once you have this enabled, it will bring up these presets. You can set to this whatever you want. So once you go to whatever you want to go to, any meme coin, you'll see here's your presets here, all these. You go up here, you can change it. Let's change this to 1 Solana. Now you can instantly press buy, and you buy 1 Solana. So you click this and you go through. Obviously I don't have 1 Solana, so it won't work for me, but then you will get filled much faster. And now fees are very different to Bullex. So over here we can go menu, we go over here settings, on this is on Telegram, you go fees. Over here you can literally have it set to as low as you want. So fees, I go 0 point, and I just spam the zeros in, baby, and you already know that is 0 point infinite numbers. So we go here over to the exchange. That is a number I can't even comprehend. So that is like 0.2 of a cent, and I kid you not, that will probably be faster than probably spending $5 on fees on Bullex. So you set all these up to low as much, depends. If you want to get filled really fast in volatile markets, like you're just trading new creations, I would have it a bit higher, so probably 0.0005 or something around that. But I recommend if you're trading over probably 100k, you really don't need anything. All these don't matter. Med protection. This is what you'll learn about while you go into the meme coin space. Mem protection means that big wallets, if you buy with a high amount, which probably won't need to worry about right now, but probably over $100, you should have mem protection on. Why? Is because let's say I go boom, I want to buy 5 Solanas. That's probably about $1,000, something around that. I get filled. Big wallets will be tracking your wallet. They will buy before you, pushing the price up to from where you want to get filled, which is here. You get filled up here. So they buy before you, you buy, it goes up this much percentage. So the people who just bought before you, tracking your wallet, 11%, and then they sell again, boom, instantly within probably one or 2 seconds. Now this means that you're filled up here and your price is here. So now you are down 11% before the candles even started moving. So this is why I recommend to probably have mem protection on for buys and have mem protection off for sells, because you want to get out as faster. Now that probably covers most of it for just setting it up. If you guys want to know strategies and how to actually trade this, about to graduate and graduated, and my strategies to get these many wins over here, 197, all this is within a few seconds. Watch my other videos on my channel, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you turn the notifications on, so when I upload a new video, which will probably be in a few hours, I will show you guys how to print millions of dollars like I have. Thanks guys, and make sure you use the links in my bio to get lower fees and skip the waiting list, otherwise you'll have to be waiting for hours, maybe even days. Alright, peace out guys, see you guys later.